All right, let's put the spotlight then on today's listing then. And we've got the management of Vishnu Prakash joining us right now. He's Mr. Manohar Lal Punglia. Thank you so much for taking time out. We've also got with us Sarfaraz Ahmed, who is the CFO. Good to have you all on board and congratulations. It's been a great listing for you. Take us through your guidance in terms of what the margin outlook is.
मैम जहाँ तक मार्जिन की बात करेंगे तो जो भी लास्ट 3 इयर्स से जो मेंटेन किया है हमने, आगे भी इसमें ग्रोथ देखेंगे आप लोग। और जो रेगुलर बेस पे कंपनी जिस तरह से काम कर रही है, वी आर क्वाइट कॉन्फिडेंट दैट वी विल श्योरली इंक्रीज द मार्जिन्स। यस
increasing the margins, but talk to me about the order book as well. What is the new orders in the pipeline? How's the overall momentum on the ground? Because ahead of elections, you usually see a lot of orders come in, even for water supply, railways, etc. What's the visibility like?
As of now, if we talk about last 5 years, गवर्नमेंट का फोकस भी अभी काफ़ी अच्छा रहा है इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर सेक्टर पे। और एज ऑन 15 जुलाई और ऑर्डर बुक इज रुपीज़ 3800 करोड़ एंड वी आर मैनी ऑर्डर्स अंडर पाइपलाइन विच वी आर कॉन्फिडेंट दैट हमें जो ऑर्डर मिलेंगे उसमें से, और ऑर्डर बुक हेल्दी ऑर्डर बुक बनेगी सर।
Sarfaraz, will you expand to other regions, because currently it is Rajasthan that has the largest share of the order book?
Yes, ma'am. We are already expanding to other states like MP, UP, and we are also planning to expand the other state if we find the opportunity, better opportunity in the other state.
Hi, thank you so much for making time and joining us. I wanted to understand from you that a large part of the project actually comes from water irrigation, but are you looking at getting into railway projects also a lot? Because of late, the ordering from government and railways has increased quite a bit.
Yes, we have core competence in the water supply project, but also we are going through the railways, roads and other irrigation project.
Would you want to add something?
Sorry, ma'am.
No, I was asking if Mr. Pungalia wants to add something. Of course, Mr. Ahmed, you've talked about it. If he wants to add in and speak anything about the company and the prospects ahead. Okay, it's
अदर स्टेट्स के लिए जो
मैम अभी हमारा जो अदर स्टेट के अंदर भी जो काम का फोकस है वो हम धीरे धीरे और आगे भी बढ़ाने का हम प्रयास कर रहे हैं। और अभी जो इंफ्रा के अंदर सेंट्रल और स्टेट के जो इंफ्रा के अंदर बूम आ रहा है, तो उसमें हम भी आगे बढ़ेंगे और आगे भी अदर स्टेट में भी हम लोग काम करेंगे मैम।
Mr. Pungalia, thank you so much for joining us, as well as Mr. Ahmed for decoding as to what the prospects of the company are, and congratulations on a great listing that you've had so far. So that was the management of Vishnu Prakash Pungalia. The stock has seen a solid listing, 50% gain there itself at 148 levels thereabouts. And of course, infrastructure is one theme that seems to be working well for now in the markets. What else is working out well for the markets?